Hiccup. Emily Elizabeth sat up in bed. What was that sound? She wondered. Hiccup! Oh no. Hiccup! Hiccup! Up popped the teddy bear. Up popped the doll, and up popped Emily Elizabeth. I could jump really high. Clifford had the hiccups. Oh, did I miss a page? I missed a page. Really? Okay. Emily Elizabeth went down to breakfast. Hiccup! Up popped the plates and cups. Up popped the orange juice right into Mr. Howard's head. This is Mr. Howard. Maybe the vet can help Clifford, said Mr. Howard. Mrs. Howard. Wait. Is this Mr.?
Yeah, that one is Mr.
Yeah, look, I can do a little trick to lift things up. No, I need to focus.
Doctor?
Dr. Din checked Clifford's throat. Breathing. Hiccup! Release the page. Clifford just has the case of the hiccups. Dr. Din said sooner or later they will go away.
Again?
Go away. Outside the doctor's office, Clifford saw his friends, T-Bone and Mark. This is T-Bone and this is Mark. Hiccup! Look at them, they're surprised. Take a look, they're surprised. Look. This one is shot. He's gonna like it. Oh no. His curve. Done that. Oh no! I know how to make Clifford's hiccups go away. T-Bone said to Mac, I will just I will.
I'll.
I will.
Yeah, this is the short for I will. I'll.
I will
Yeah, okay.
give him a little scare. Boo! Said T-Bone.
Again. T.
Boo! T-Bone shouted. Boo! Oh no, that's the last page, you know. No, not there. But Clifford's hiccups did not go away. Hiccup! I know how to make your hiccups go away. Go away. Mike said, no.
Correct.
Go away.
Mm-mm.
Go away.
Mm-mm. No. Make your hiccups go away. Mac.
Make your hiccups go away, said Mac. Said
Again. Mac.
Mac said to Clifford, follow me. What does this sign mean?
It's an exclamation mark. It means you're excited.
But it does not have here.
Yes.
Why does it does not have here?
It's just a statement.
It only has a dot.
Okay. Next.
No. I'm checking the pages. My hand's gestured, so I will know. Wait, where's the star? Where's the star? Where's the star? Oh, here it is. Oh! I should put it here. Mac led Clifford to a kiddie pool. Shut your eyes, hold your ears, and drink. Turn upside down, and drink, said Mac. So Clifford shut his eyes, held his ears, turn around,
Turn
upside down, and drank. One. Boo! Oh, T-Bone jumped out of the pool. Boo! And Clifford's hiccups stopped. I did it, said T-Bone. I did it, said Mac. All right, we'll just put it on the next page. We're almost not done. No. You missed the page. You missed a page. Hiccup, T-Bone, and Mark were very frustrated. Were very disappointed. We really wanted to help, said T-Bone. I don't know what's this.
Say the sound one by one. The. Very good.
Did help, said Clifford. You didn't make my hiccups go away, but I feel good because you tried so hard. I really not miss a page.
No, you didn't. That's the right page.
Oh, I missed the story. Didn't got the star. This will make me know where I am at. Just then, Elizabeth came by. How are your hiccups? She asked. Everyone listened, and then they listened. Then they listened more. What's this one?
Listened
more. Some more. Clifford's hiccups were finally gone. Oh no.